Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Pretty Planet. I'm back with another fun Halloween craft that you can make using most things from Dollar Tree. So let's get started. For this project, what you're going to need is a tinsel jack-o'-lantern witchy decoration, a microfiber mop head, a creepy cloth in black, a set of these witch legs, fabric witch legs decoration, felt stickers, goofy putty, some kind of stuffing, scissors, and a glue gun. To start, what we're going to need to do is remove all of the tinsel from this decoration. Next, what you're going to do is take apart this mop. You see, now you're just going to pull it through there. That's going to give you really long pieces of microfiber. Next, you're going to do is measure about 12 inches and cut. I like to cut in between the two sections to give it a little fluffy end like that. And then you're just going to repeat until you've cut the whole thing. Once you have the whole mop cut up in 12-inch pieces, you're going to go ahead and start at this row right here, and you're going to get the piece and you're just going to simply tie a knot like that. What we're going to do is we're going to go get our creepy cloth. I like to fold it long ways in half. And you can even do it double. Starting down here, you're going to wrap it. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut it in a V pattern. You don't have to do this, this is totally optional, but it's just kind of gives it a cute little shape. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the edges off of this side and then even it down over here. So what we're going to do is make a pair of pants out of this felt. Sometimes you can get some fabric felt or scraps at Dollar Tree, but if you don't find it there, you can get it at any craft store. This is just a piece I had on hand. I think it's about a 9 by 6 piece. What we're going to do is fold it in half and then fold it again. On the open end, what we're going to do is get our scissors and just cut diagonally like this. We're going to have these little pants. So once these pants are cut, we're going to get our glue and we're going to glue the sides and also this area here. This. And we're going to go ahead and close them up. Then we're going to get our polyfill and we're going to stuff these little pants. Okay, so that's probably good enough because we do want to keep this top part a little loose because we're going to be gluing it to the frame. I picked the green legs. I think they come in purple and orange as well. But what we're going to do is we're just going to cut this top part off, just like that. Because I want the legs to go the opposite direction, what I'm going to do is cut this leg here. Okay, so what you're going to do is just get your seam ripper or a small pair of scissors, and you're just going to remove this little seam pretty easily. There you go. First I'm going to glue this shut, that way we don't have to sew it, and then we're going to glue this on the back end of that shoe, that way they're facing the right way. Go right here, and what we'll do is just so that we make sure that these are as even as possible. When we're done, we're gonna cut this one up here. There, good as new. Now we have 2 feet, but going the right way. What we're gonna do is just kind of fluff up the stuffing and stuff the leg. Now we have 2 plush legs. Okay, so once you have your legs done, what we're going to do is glue them shut. Or stick the legs into the pants like that. Go ahead and put some glue inside the pants. Put a lot of glue in there. Attach the bottom of these pants to the frame. We just do that by putting a line of glue right here, and then we're just going to put them right there. Okay, now to move on to the nose, I'm going to go ahead and use this Easter egg container that came with my son's Goofy Putty from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to use one of the halves of the egg because it's already green. Add some hot glue to the rim. And then go ahead and just find a good spot, like right here in the center of the frame. Kind of move some of the hair, and then just go ahead and tack that on there. And with this guy, what I think would be cute is if we moved his hat down a little bit and kind of made it a little slouchy. So we just attach the creepy cloth right there. It kind of drapes it down. It looks like it's sitting right on his nose. I think that looks really cute. And even though you can't really see the pants, they're there, and at least it gives the legs a little more length, and it just hangs, and it's cuter. It's cuter with pants. Okay, so next we're just going to add some finishing touches. We're going to get some of these felt stickers. I think we're going to go ahead and go with a bat, just because I like the purple. It matches, the green of the black matches his legs. So we'll just go ahead and add that right there. And that's it. Now you have your long-legged witch gnome, perfect for your Halloween door. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and give me a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!